Hey everybody, Nassim here from Nassim Drives Canada, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use this diamond key on the new Porsche Macan. So you're using the wheel key, scrolling up and down and pushing it in, and then the back button to its bottom left. And up and down on the wheel key will let you cycle through like this. We're going to cycle down to vehicle, and then click in the button. It gives you the options in that sub-menu, and then we just keep going down the pipe. So this is another sub-menu inside of settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to steering wheel operation, and then click again on the diamond key. From there, you're going to select one of these three menus inside the diamond key setup. So that's the vehicle function, and there's cluster function, and then there's PCM function, which is how we're going to set the surround view camera as the diamond key. That's what most people like. That's what I like to set people up with. Hope that helped.